welcome to Lockdown Bacon and Treats. Today we are making my favourite food, Millionaires Shortbread. First we will need our ingredients. We will need some caster sugar, some butter, some salt, some flour, some caramel and some chocolate. First we will need to preheat our oven to 170 degrees. Then we will need to grease and line our tin. Then we will need to pour the butter into a bowl. And then add in all of the sugar. I'm going to go and put it under the electric whisk mixer. We will need to mix it until it's light and fluffy. That's done now. It might need a little bit more mix if it's too hard when we're mixing the flour. So first we will need to add in a pinch of salt and the flour. This time we will need to mix it until it's all crumbly. Okay, it's all mixed up now and it's ready to put in the tin. With this bit you need to make sure it's all spread out evenly. Spread out now, so it's time to cook it with the pot. Okay, it's about done now and it's time to put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the shortbread is finished cooking and it's cooled down. So now it's time to spread on top our caramel. We will need to spread out the caramel evenly across the shortbread. Now it's all spread out, it's time to go in the freezer while we warm up the chocolate. The water is boiling now, so now it's time to melt the chocolate. Now it's time to pour on top the chocolate. Done. Okay, it's nearly finished now. Now we need to put it in the freezer. That's going to need about 10 or 15 minutes to set and then it's ready. It's all done now and we've chopped it up. So here is your Lockdown Bacon and Treats. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more Lockdown Bacon and Treats.